Hello there, folks. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. The simplest possible shape. Thing one, how about a conic gradient? Oh no. So the way things line up, this is one of those interesting cases. So if I do that as a conic gradient and then this as a conic gradient, can I do it in two conic gradients? That's what I want to know right now. Let's see what two. Oh, is it? No. Yeah, it should be. Maybe not. Conic gradient at 100 pixels, and it's going to be this color, 75%. So I said like a light gray, and then blue, 0, and set a width or upper corner, so that's 0, 0, 100 pixels, 150 pixels. Okay, so let's make this wider. 140, 70, 80, 90, 100, 210, 20, 30. And then height, 100 pixels, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Sure. Or a little offset. Does that mean this needs to be body? No, that's not what that means. All right, so how do things line up? Do they line up? The app values need to change. Okay, so here's where we change this on the vertical axis to 10, 20, and then on the x-axis 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the height, I believe, needs to change. So 150, 160, 170, 180. And then we have that. So can I create a shape that's just that? Oh, I can't. No. Well. So I think what this means is effectively I want the blank template. So cut blank template, just putting this on the body. And I would just do an element border solid blue, and then border width of two values, what, like 30 pixels, 60 pixels? And we need to give it a height of 30 or something. Okay. And we can put that margin up here, down here rather. So let's push down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. And then push in these margins, I think. 6, 7, 8, 9, 92. And increase the height a little or less. 2, 3, 4. And then change these values. 32, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And then we decrease the height probably to 30. And that's the two shapes. I think I'm content with that. Content enough. A lot of choices here. If there's some interesting border shadow ideas that are coming to me right now, but let's minify and replace, and that's just fine. It's just a fine type solution to this interesting thing. Now, if we don't do the conic gradient, what's that leave us with? This is with that. So, is there a way? Could I use? Well, we still need to put a background on the body. We still need to do that, don't we? One way or the other. It's either the light or the dark, or light or the dark. And I think I want to see if I put the light color and then set a color. Yeah, I don't. So yeah, so color, I'm gonna set it to be that blue. And then what happens if I do a box shadow? So yeah, that's, you know. So 20, 30, 40. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that gives me kind of what I want. So I would need 4 of those and then 4 more. So minus 130 pixels, 80 pixels. Right? And then minus 130 pixels, minus 80 pixels. Fine. And then what? The purely positive version, 30 pixels, 80 pixels. This is already longer. And then I got to do the same thing again, just a little bit adjusted on the y-axis, right? So minus 100. And I got to get rid of the trailing comma. So I'm going to make one of these, each one of these 100. And that gets it. Not excited about that, really. I mean, it works. Minify, unit replace, a bunch of those units replace. We would then need to do, probably we could optimize then and do a border. Color is 4, so when I go get rid of that, I can get rid of that. I still need the height. I don't need the background. Yeah, I don't need an inset color because that's transparent in there, right? Yeah. Yeah, because we're seeing through to the back. Border solid, height 30, and we cannot remove the space before the minus signs, excuse me. So we can tune a few of these characters, but not very much. What else? Anything else? Not too exciting. I don't know, I keep looking at this one. I don't feel like I'm stopping, but maybe I am stopping. Yeah, that's it. I'm calling it. Thanks for watching. Go do this one. This is a fun puzzle. This is what is it? It's the 28 October 2025. This is a fun puzzle. I think there's a lot of ways to do this. I think there might be a way to do this that's shrinkage. So you could do some backgrounds that were inset, that were body box, or different kinds of inset backgrounds. So set the background to be inset based on padding, and that's another way to do that, rather than the border technique, which is a few more characters. It's worth exploring. All right. Have a good day. Go make a webpage. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. Bye.